Okay, if I go and refresh this page, this, yeah, I'm not giving anything. If I click on submit, so it is showing name must be filled. So after giving, if you are not entering anything after the selecting this particular thing, so it will show the things like this. And we will see one more example on this. So one more example is like if I want to check some number validations or phone validations, so how we can do this. So we will go with some constraints also. So already we know some constraints, right? So we will check with some form validations how we can do with. For example, I'm not giving my password as a 6. So how we can validate using a this particular JavaScript. Okay. So again, I'm creating one form. Okay. So in the body element itself, I'm giving a form name is equal to my form. Method is post. An action, I'm giving it as JSP. So JSP is different thing, but we will discuss in Java. So what is JSP and all? And here I'm giving as on submit as return keyword validate. Okay. So after this, just closes off slash. Okay. So here I'm giving a name to be input, password, and the name is also password. And I need to submit or register. Okay. So after giving this, I need to register this. So input type equals to submit, and the value I'm going to give it as a register. Okay, after giving this, just go up. So here I'm going to create some script. So let me remove this. The form name is validate form. Okay, so just close this off. Okay, inside here, I'm going to create some two variable. So nothing but I'm going to get the document dot my form. So what is a form? My form. So the form name is my form, and the next name next is I'm going to get the name. Okay, I'm going to get the name of this particular thing. So sorry, I have not mentioned it. If a type is text, here the name is name itself. Okay, just now first thing is I'm going to get the value, and the second is for the password also documents dot my form dot password dot value. Okay, like this we have created. So here I'm giving a variable name called a, or I can give it as name itself. And here also I'm assigning one more variable for this as a password. Okay, so next thing is after giving this, I'm going to check whether it is filled or not for the name, and if the password is if it is greater than 6, so some output is going to show for the user. So if condition name is equals to, if a name is equals to null. Okay, and I'm giving a or operator. I'm going to check both the things. So name is equals to empty. If is there any one thing is going to happen, then it will show this particular output. So what is the output? alert method name cannot be blank. Okay, so this is the thing you will be giving for this particular, if it is a name is null or if it is empty. Okay, and else if condition, one more condition I'm going to specify when else if. Else if what is a condition? So condition is I'm going to get the password length. Okay, I'm going to get this password variable dot, what is that particular length. After giving this length, I will check whether it is it is less than 6. Okay, if it is less than 6, then I will give a condition as alert passwords must be at least 6 character. So like this we will be giving. It just closes semicolon and in false. Okay, this app close this off. Now we will check. So it may have been moved, edited or deleted. So actually everything it is uploading into the file. So I think my PC some problem is happening. Just give me a minute. Actually, it is accepting things, so it will not be happen. So let me check the input text. Mm, Okay, no issues, ma. Let me, we'll discuss tomorrow about this because so this is the follow you will be doing. So you could understand so how we are getting the values and how we are using the if condition and how it works. Okay, for this alone, something is on my systems. Actually, I will be getting out, but for this one, it is not showing up. So don't worry, I'll be showing tomorrow. Please remind me. Okay. And the next part is how to, create a cookies in JavaScript. Okay, 1 minute. Once again, guys. Once again. Vale, Pak. Once again. Yeah. So what we were talking about cookies, right? So cookies, yes, I have one folder. Let me check. Yeah. So here I have multiple files. So as of now, we have discussed about this validation, right? For validation, I don't know. For cookies, I have. So just I'll right click and I'll show you. So how it is working. So cookies is nothing but first we'll discuss what is cookies. A cookie is a piece of data that's stored in your computer to be accessed by the browser. Okay, for example, I'm the user. I'm just browsing in the internet, and it reaches to the server. Okay, some server is giving some information is given by the server, whatever I search in the internet, right? So what happened if I go to the website called Google? Okay, or if I'm going to the website called Bing browser. Okay, so if I go to this particular browser, so what happened? This information that is, I have visited this Bing for the multiple times, so it is showing my name and everything, right? So what it will consider is, yes, you have already visited this particular cookies. So this is the information it will give to me, right? The next thing is, if I visit some other website called google.com, then it will get registered for that google.com. So how many times I have visited that google.com and what I have searched over there. So everything will be shown. Okay. So this is this information, this sort of information, it is called as cookie, and how it's stored. So this is a web browser and this is a server. The request is sent and the response is your cookies will be added, and the request is also again, if you're visiting for the second time, what happened, the request plus cookie will be added over here. Okay, so these are the some, 5 variable length fields we have, that is called expires, domain, path, secure, and name equal to value. Okay, so this shows the date the cookie will expire. If this blank, the cookie will expire when the visitor quits the browser. Okay, so this is the small templates I have given. So what is called, actually, sorry guys, for Annai Ayesha college, it is like break, right? You can go. Annai Ayesha college, you can go. Others, please be connected.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And thank you, ma. So we'll continue tomorrow on this.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Annai Ayesha college alone, please go. Others, please be here. is from Avanti College. Have you given your names who are present today? Okay.
I'm Sailaja Chepuri, ma'am, from Avanti College.
Ah. Okay, ma. Just have you put a message in the chat box? Your name and the college name. Why? Because I want to mark attendance after the session. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, we'll continue till 12 o'clock, or we can wind up and we'll start tomorrow. Is that your wish? So how we can do? So tomorrow we will be completing